Section 1. An elegant statement. A feather centerpiece commands attention with quiet grace, transforming any tablescape from simple to breathtaking. This look speaks of luxury, yet remains surprisingly accessible. Imagine lush, white ostrich feathers spilling from a gleaming gold vase. The secret is pairing soft, ethereal textures with a structured metallic sheen. We'll show you the finished look, then build it together. Section 2. Gathering your refined materials. To begin this project, you must first gather your supplies. The beauty of the final piece is directly related to the quality of the components you choose. For this arrangement, we have selected a concise list of items that are both effective and easy to procure. A bundle of white ostrich feathers. Look for plumes that are between 18 and 22 inches long. You will need approximately 15 to 25 feathers per centerpiece. The clean, bright white color offers a timeless and versatile elegance. A tall gold trumpet base. It stands about 24 inches tall. The trumpet shape's narrow neck provides excellent support for the feather quills. The wider base ensures stability. The polished gold finish adds a touch of warmth and glamour. A block of dry floral foam. A standard rectangular block can be easily cut to size to fit snugly inside the top opening of your vase. A small bag of decorative sand or even clean, small pebbles. This ballast is an invisible but crucial element that prevents any unfortunate toppling. Having all your materials organized and ready before you begin is a key principle of any successful project. Section 3. Preparing the trumpet vase foundation. For a tall centerpiece, a stable base is paramount. First, prepare the floral foam. Place the dry foam over the vase opening and press down to create an imprint. Carefully cut along this line to create a foam plug. Trim it for a snug fit, then press it firmly into the top of the vase, flush with the rim. If it's loose, wrap floral tape around it for a tighter fit. Now, address the vase's stability. Carefully pour decorative sand or small pebbles into the base, filling it about 1/4 of the way up. Now for the most creative part, arranging the feathers. Begin by selecting your longest, fullest feather. Insert it into the center of the foam, about 1 to 2 inches deep. This first feather establishes the maximum height and central axis. Next, select 3 to 4 more long feathers. Insert these around the central one, angling them slightly outward to build your framework. As you place each feather, turn it to find its best bite. The natural curve should arc outwards and downwards. Continue working down and out, using shorter feathers as you move toward the edge. The goal is a lush, rounded silhouette, overlapping feathers to create depth and hide the foam. Once your feathers are in place, it's time for final finessing. Walk around the centerpiece, looking for any gaps. Gently adjust angles or add smaller plumes to create a generous rounded dome. You can also fluff any compressed feathers with your fingertips. For extra sparkle, tuck a few crystal picks deep within the arrangement so they catch the light subtly. Your stunning centerpiece requires little maintenance, but simple care will ensure it remains beautiful for years. Check the description for a full list of all the products we use, with links to purchase. Make a statement that is both memorable and refined.